Now that we've staged our loadables, we're ready to load them on a trailer. To do so, we must first switch to loading view by clicking Switch to Loading View. Next, we'll see our loading view currently empty, and we'll want to define our trailers by clicking Trailer Definitions. On the left-hand side, we'll see some predefined trailers set up, including drop decks, single, or a double drop deck. To create a new trailer, click New on the left bottom side of the screen, give it a name, and define its properties. Width is the width of our trailer, height is the height of our load from the deck of the trailer, length is the length of the trailer from front to back, and weight is the capacity of the load. The side protrusions and back protrusions are displayed and explained in the image to the right. The other items such as distance to kingpin offset, and axle distances and spacing are used in SDS2 load planning to determine the load's center of gravity, so they're very important. We can also choose to do a front deck, a rear deck to create our single or double drop deck trailers. Now that our trailers are defined, we can begin adding them to our project. Select New Load to add a trailer. Select the trailer from Trailer Definitions that you wish to use. Give the load a name. Select our default dunnage height. Choose to pyramid the load or stack it straight up. We can add a bottom dunnage layer to the trailer and specify our overhang options. You can add multiple trailers if they will be required. You can always delete them later if needed. Only the deck of the trailer is displayed by default. Show the rest of the trailer by selecting Show All Trailer Parts. We now have a trailer set up and ready to load the loadables onto it.